जों दिनै थामजागा तंलायखांनाय सि आइडियास रग रलाय मानलायो सजेशन रलाय मानलायो कायसा ता कायसा नासिगे जों सोलोङो मानो बबुं जों डेभलपिं थां तामो ख्लाया अमायगे जों सिनि सोसाइटियाव फायै त्रिपुरायाव फायै फादार हास्टेयाव थाङै जों सोलोङै त्रिपुरायाव फायै जों चेङै मानो
Chini Tripura People Foundation tabok suk joro tui tamo khai tong hangkai sak no chimingye buino be help khai tong do chini je volunteers rong ni bisingo en chini moto to always chungma to father hasteo tong nai Tripura sarok jingjalo ta klai thang ba saisung ta ang thang saisung hne wan chogi charan thang chung thansa ka tong lai chini Tripura sa do phana father hasteo bo nai thok ti sai talang lai na
Bangalore is open for all I mean, I'm also outside. I mean, we are also from Tripura, right? Anthony Bangalore thangi, I have restaurants, I have a cab, and I have a consulting firm. Mane no restrictions. Nung thangi tam business climate, nung tam o chalo goi manna anyone so you can do it. You just need is registration, proper registration.
Khulumbai kya nong no haino hai lamsok piro ani kothok podcast ni katala episode so tini sengnung na thang tongo 52nd episodes sino episodes ni naroi motom rokungkha Tripura People Foundation Bengalore ni founder rock sini borom ganang Dinesh Burma tai borom ganang John Burma tini sengbong ni khokti khana lainai Tripura People Foundation borok tamo samung batang rok tei samung khaitong tai bahike sini borok borok kerengei bahike borok United Thansa khai samung khaitong aborok tini sengjoton khananai plus Bengalore ni borok je experience abo borok sungmai share khai ke tini ke tai bisiliere woi let's start our podcast. Pula nang norok khornya lamsogan podcast ha norok bahai tong bai.
Very good. Black ham. Tom thogani ni podcast sab kai thini. Khasranga.
অনেক দিন রমই নগুই তংমানি বুনি পডকাস্ট রক নিনি আর কক সালাইমা রক বা তিনি মহাই দিন কাহাম নগুই বেলেম বকা তং থকা
Gesang chengla siwana kasang liada woi nongi sinmung ke saiknar gari.
Okay. Ani bung ke Dinesh Burma angka Tripura People Foundation ni founder and director at the present tabuk je designation tongmani.
Angkai Jen Debroma Tripura People Foundation ni president tabuk zorot tai
Belai kana tab kadarang hap chine point to Tripura People Foundation abo tamo sona ke saiknar gari.
Tripura People Foundation nga kaise NGO sang kaise NGO ni bung tu register klaina ka Bengaluru sini head office.
Not based on Bengaluru.
Yeah, based total the head office is based out of Bangalore. Mana chini original registration ng money with the GST number and all the other NGO registrations. Abo jutna Bangalore ni tayo mazak tamo.
Ganong ni je foundation nong je NGO sang don nugo social media rago খুব popular no angkha kayo gang sanam chuma ke nong je NGO inception ta ya phangni je laibu marok genesis baike chengkha abo ke saikhana de plus nong ni nahar mung tamo tomani plus tabu gota
Abo to ang no saikhana risyo no.
please
Chung chengmani to sekango chini Bangalore tongai. Chung asmoy to students rok tongo baksa working people but tongo probably back in 2012-13 no. Sekang to chini okra rok phaika Royal Tripura People's Society ini chung khulongna nene wancho phaileka. Khubo khulok laga mung kaisa kaini program buk khlaileka.
mana boya ni kor gabo
2014-15 ni kok. Asomoyo sung kaisa kaini program buk khlaika koekta Northeast Festival ro at participate khlaika. Awani pore kaisa student freshers meet buk khlaika. Third time sung 2015 no kaisa goriabo pale laika Bangalore hataya. Haipano 2016 ni pore nga kisa scattered thamoi ka sugbor rok je aro tongbai ni rok jotono return claim hebega Tripura wo so chini group kisa week ngi thangbai ka awani pore Tripura People Royal Tripura People Society ajaga baksa objection bor kha je why royal mane chung to royal kri kha we are not in a king's family or king's kingdom anymore ajaga ko
nong ni bising ta
outside of our team. Sini team ni kita chung royal ekdom full support no. But out of our team tai oino NGO rok tongo Northeast ni tai baki leaders rok tongo from the Arunachal, Mizoram, Manipur joto leaders we connected. borok bo kaisa question khlaika chi why royal, because you are not royal anymore. Royal hingke to ni aro tabuk king ni rule choli tonga ka chen royal rom jaku hingke to phano abono khel khlaile oi chung continue khlai tongmani no to hingke kasara jotonos kamai thamai ka hingke ba lockdown time o te oisa bui jangjal khlai tongmai kha people standard yang kasasa kang saisung kang basagra kha ki physically the thang puila help claimia, but I can help you mentally ba kaisa guidance ke bai ke ba chinai bai ke chung din no katu with hane lockdown time on ne chang se phailega abro to jesi ne purana leaders je age changne ro ke phone kri kha so ang saisung ba sa kha basamania gulo koekjona leader nang ringi ga, but they were not ready to come or say interest kamai thangata because the support je age puila support khlai chung encouragement mali aphanang khana ba sak wansu kana asa khlaiman se chung recognition se maya ba encouragement maya ne pan wansu gi thangmano the no problem ang start like a lockdown or start khlaiman ya gulo asomoyo chini bubagra nengke Tripura nei kaise NGO to ta somoyo bo ini bubagra somoyo NGO chalo gi thangmani somoyo so lockdown ni doran je difficulties ngi tong yang kabang borok stranded ke bubagra sungo ka ke Dinesh, would you like to be a point of contact from Bangalore? I'm like yes, mane anything aga ang kun objection kri ang agino se khlai tong ongka ba tabo khlaina ni bo bini tifano khlaisi na ini wan so ga yang ya bri sekata ya bri samani ya gulo chung kun bumung ri ya we know start khlaiga somoyo restart khlaiga as a Bengalore Tiprasa.
Okay.
Mane ang kuno bumung nalia because Royal Tripura People Society bo agena kamai thanga so anga somoy tam khlaiga Bengalore Tiprasa ne restart khlai restart khlai cholite 3 years back after lockdown to sung as a Bengalore Tiprasa no chole hui thanga 3 years back sung te oisa register khlaina thangpurung ke sung sakang naikha Tripura People Society ne register khlaina try khlaiga but rejecting i thanga
Oh.
mane je government ni registration rejecting it thanga society ne nang chalogi maya as an NGO, so they have suggested for foundation afro bubagra saga okay foundation is also good, so we went ahead with Tripura People Foundation as registered tini chung we are a proper registered NGO ngi thanga, then we get help from every side government facilities ro chung eligible ngani to tongku probably another 1 year we have to work on our own, then we can think of availing the government facilities through NGO. Among chini starting journey. Tabuk main motto nang sai khana ragna sik. Nini yak fara khana rasi ta ang mamo sai chu gyable.
Chung Tripura People Foundation in Nasing mung hungkang kai Tiprasa je tabuk nogya kari father hastio tongnya. Chung tabuk khanawin tongo thansang nango thansang nango and thansa bela important chin Tiprasa do fani bagai hingka changaro Bangalore ba ngthung chini South India chini to bedek tongo Pune o tongo Chennai o tongo Hyderabad ba chini Kerala handi azagaro chim bedek tongo so azagaro chung jot to Tiprasa thansang gai kaisa nukhungni tolo ba chalanya hanai ba sawai jate kono kebo Tiprasa azagao thangai lamata korothang ba mase eta tongthang ba mathui eta tongthang mohai hene che jang tabo sujora kutumlai tonglai chini nashik mung ko bono kebo Tiprasa mane saijung hene tawan sokthang bini logi bini borok tongo bini Tiprasa tongo en chungo Tiprasa thanjagen tonglai nei hino thanjanan chung reglai mani, but slowly tamung thangka hangkai kabangma cases paika mostly case borok thima rok hingka kabangma borok saw chung kathai rok siming se rohona hanai aba haya chung just kathai means je thai chane family borok je problem tongo chung bin problem no se chung solve khanya thamo chung kun kathai honani hinai thangmani ya, but chung chini borok chuba chunangai tong hangka chung abono chuba nai just panang thung job mai apanang tongkha ba nok tongna kari phanong tongkha ba kuno siyang ka changbono physically phanong thung ba mentally phanong thung ba kaisa suggestion phan riman thung chung jot to digi tinya chin Tiprasa na father hastio chung chubana ni bagai nayo enawan chin moto je Tiprasa helpless tang thung
kaisa nok support system ta
Exactly.
abo tabok cases to different phaika sekango to chung start claimani sudu helping hand especially working people rong ni bage like je samung mayang tongnai rong chung samung nai to grinani ba je jaga beton mayang tongar ga chung thang kisa interfere khlai kok salainani ama herok ni chung puila start claimani but all slowly different problems nu kha Tripura sarong different jeng jalong khori phayo tamo kha angke chungbo slowly step by step kaisa kai start khlai laika chini dead bodies rohmani to chung lockdown sim sakang sim no start khlaiga lockdown somoyo bo kaisa dead body kabama tinta dang kamo lockdown dead body handle klamani
7
only lockdown mane corona season only lockdown season
2000
chung 7 dead bodies so chung kaisa Tripura rohmani dang kamo
4 জন রহরি মান্দ্র বুকা অন্দলা 3 জন হই মালিয়া
chung corona season ni rohori mandia ajang na bisungo kaisa dead body no 4 din 7 din loge tima tongabo mane 7 days bini bagai simi khapru mani thabu mani and buyango borro kiri tongo corona season ni ke phon ongkhona mo chunya dead body loge bo tongna mo chunya because kaisa mang gathai ni urugibo mana ni kiru but chung chini thanio abo saise male kirina ni himani jinis kis kri hai jing thangsiu chini bo no ani bo no family tong ani bo no chere klei kaisa tong habana abno wan sukja ge oi se chung bui je jaga bo churup sahab tong jaga sanga field ong khorlai jak mane lama ong khore khlaile phaile ota sinijak mani main hanga chini Tripura People Foundation tini market of maximum public be sinijak man ke dead bodies
da aga bon tiang sung siwana katabuk norok tam problem te solve kai habe ke sakna jeban norok kathino to ron rohro plus nong i tai tam norok chuba sur
tabuk chubachu to chung start like how I said earlier workers ong ni bagai je jaga samung mayang tong Bengaluru haste sogeman poreo ba samung ni tiklai roh jage bona tongna ni tong thaire na ni amo herok ni chung start like abon pore sokwe medical issues na je Tripura borok thangai doctor naijak nani jaga maya ba guidance krui amo herok no chung guidance khlainani start like chini team ni khorcha borok rohori borono guide khlainani bagai and then thirdly comes again the death cases jabru borok thai thangka bani dead body na chung Tripura hasteo rohonani ba bini formalities bagai chung pairinani amo herok ni chung struggle khlai bega and another point that comes is the education মানে স্টুডেন্ট রংনি ম্যাক্সিমাম ইস্যুস যে তংমানি আবনতি বচং ইন্টারফিয়ার খাইগা ইন্টারফিয়ারেন্স ইন স্টুডেন্ট তো লাস্ট ইয়ার এসমিক খাইও বাট যতনে সে কেস কবাং নমানি কে স্টুডেন্ট নগুই খেতাবো আবন সে সিকাং চং ওয়ার্কার্স রংনি সে কেস নগুই তংমানি তাবক স্টুডেন্ট রংনি কেস নখা চং স্টুডেন্ট নি কেসও একদম ডিপ লিখে হাবই না নাইসিক তং হাইনি বাগৈ চং কাইসা স্টুডেন্ট বডি বক লগেরি কা বেঙ্গালুরু and if you go to say tabok lost and found tak borok kamai thanga somebody went missing ngama herokno chung complaint file klainani ba missing complaint file klailayo but naitukna ni bagai chini group tui jesuk mansak chung chaitok layo ba kephana kamai thanga angke chung ngama ga naituk tiklainani chaitok not successful always but yes maximum successful mongkha chung joto case to sin thane oina cases bo tongo je chung publish klaya tabak recent case katal phaimani to muni big busai karle mane case je amte khari thanga case naitok dar hor mana mane case ro phaibe ota amor ke external cases which is not in our priority
na ambo actually sana thang ambo serious issues no kaisa ni bihik te kaisa tala be khar thang kaisa ni busai te kaisa buri khar thang ambo serious case no bindo to always no
kamai ebar muni family issue abo borong solve kaiteng manang
among externally phaimani ba kisa because sal bat kri haino phain dong daily tabung ni na tasing asok phaidro bosi duita case phaibe kha tei jaga ni parar salia to ama ke case to phain dong chung ke no ignore to claim as a social workers we try chung manalai khlaya chung bo try khlayo chini group spread khlari ne man kha ma akhe to chung gon khlaina kri
ama ekobama successful cases man kha chung je romui ba chung je bongo nai to gui buzo gya koi nok firo gui hoka aba hero go to
ora habo ni to ama ko success case to
gang sanam jong tak Bengaluru sin borok different walk of life in borong tong na ke ang sanam jong sin borok busuk tong na population ta tabu plus tam samung khai tong bai sin borok abon
Chini
kisa
borok.
overview kisa saiknan
Lockdown e data o chini yaw sok ke 14,000 Tiprasa rok simi only in
okay
Bangalore.
wasuk mau na oh
Only in Bangalore we
Bangalore
got
data.
14,000 data.
wow
Hyderabad ni data woman ka around 7-8,000. Chennai ni data around 4-5,000 and Mumbai ni data of 3,000 something it came those days. Tabuk to Mumbai rako khawar kari. Kerala ni to sini asomayo probably some 2,000 data phaijak. Tabuk jorati chung latest update jorati ke chung region saimya chung busuk jorati tong because lockdown no chung Bangalore ni simi 9,000 people no rahorka.
okay oh man including student workers
Student workers including everybody. Amo to chung Tripura government te je train ma mani stranded people no phirong nani. Aing ni te Chennai be Bangalore Kerala Mumbai joto daga ni borok phaibe kya. 9,000 to chung rukhlai rahorka. तो के अब ने पूरे बुसकते हुए से री-एंट्री खलाएगा अब चुन खौर मान लिया
okay
तब ने कहा वो बक्सा सीने नहीं वो फिरो खा बक्सा कटालो फिरो खा गा कटालो बेंगलोर थांग भी कहाँ पर उन्हें डेटा सीने को करी but I guess ताबुक जरूरत है ना if we go to count मुकुमे 10,000 plus
only in
Bangalore
Bangalore
सीमिक
wow
and at least 2,000 to 3,000 plus in Chennai as per our no जो records and जो हिसाब खलाने में तो हिंके Hyderabad वो तो around 1,000 2,000 plus but border connectivity करी नहीं पागे चंग exact count में आगे तो होता
but mostly Tiprasa tongjak mani kangka Bangalore
Bangalore na yang te sanong sangata ketau nong aja samung khai tani abo to bed of roses ya sure borong trust kaisa mana bo mana nong samung khai ma bai nong trust ka abo to abo no initially ta nong tam problem ro face ka kana tam ro problem borong ni mane kaisa fit
नहीं problems तो तुम सामूं कैसे काम खलाया था थंग तिने के ये सी सूर जागो ना बाक्सा भगवान सुगो जे बुन्यो चोबरा थंग तिने वो रंगचा खान जागो ना बा अमसुग नांगे जागा अमसुग नांगो होनी सागो हम जागो बा अमती खलाया नांगे जागा फन नंग खलायरी होनी चंग दूसर जागो तो फन संगा पर तो इग्नोर खलायरी रहो because चिनी फील्ड नहीं सामूं चंग से साइमन
correct
चंग चिनी फील्ड नहीं सामूं ना बुन्यो एक्सप्रेस खलाया थंगे बो जे बोरक भी नॉलेज सिगरे इंगे चंग बनो बुजुगो वो बुझिना थंगे वो जे वाम सुमनी बिनी arrogancy वो आजंगर कसाई था ताऊ maximum cases तो वो से handle करेगा नून लगे से खार करस्ती
na ji kabang ma cases rogo nang nanya thangkang kai kabang ma borok different borok in different mentality na borok no tam judge khayo borok no question khayo borok na answer ro ma hin to but kabang ma jaga wo hangkang kai tam problem no kang kai chini borok ro Tiprasa ro মানে যদি সেকাংনি সিমিং যদি আবা হেগে থানসা বা অ্যাডভান্স যদি কক সঙ্গে বা করঙ্গে চংলাই খাঙ্কায় চিকন মিকন প্রবলেম ফাই চিন বরকনি হিংকাঙ্কা আংতাম নো का ताक्सु जरति बेंगलोर थानसा करनि बागैसे जों लैक अफ कम्युनिकेशन नि बागैसे जों किसा बिरमानो तंग दा हने
जों
जों
जाला
जाला तो ना दे तो चिनी पॉइंट गांगे चिनी बरो self যখন তে কিসা মিসা আজ ওই থাংমান কাং কে তাং মনসু এ আং বিনি চুবা চুন নাইয়া মানে আং বড় করিব আং থাঙে থাঙে মানো পয়েন্ট আমার ভাইও তাও চ্যালেঞ্জেস যে সংবাই চ্যালেঞ্জেস ইজ লাইক টু ব্রিং দোজ ওয়ার্কার্স ব্যাক টু দ্য ফেথ মানে जोंनो বিশ্বাস খাই संबा बागे सामु खाय जाने बागे बा जोंबाय सामु खाय फानो करंगे तंगनाने बागे फानो अनेक बड़ रक्ता मय थां क्वेश्चन मार्क कटरमा गोबां बरनो थानिव borok wansugo maximum people wansugo je borokle sorkar thika rangman tongna but borok simi mani tongo chunghara thango phaltu guri sima tongo sini pokene rang khibu nei ama high challenges within volunteers busin thani tong
okay
still today mane tini phano chini thani challenge tongo amo to khibiri me but yes hambai mario je volunteers bkhabai pai samung khlai pene ro ji hisab runa ni kri hisab runa thangi yaro borok hebo tong ते कैसे अंके दूसरा लाइन थनी वो तो एक ऐसा ग्रुप तो दूसरा लाइन तो मनो blame game like आंग बो कैसे जगह खलाया हुई पनो बोनो खलाया होने दूसरी लाइन है कि चंग बो ground level enquiry खलाया से नो result री रखांगे आरा clash में थांग पायो
Okay.
So aro waisha sino mistake ni thango I don't say ke sino mistake niya because কয়েকটা জায়গা তামং হয় এমন খেচিনি বরক সাপয় accept true মানে bono true মানে opposite person যে খাইরা মানে বহঙ্গাঙ্কে false গামো later on sung সাইমন যে ববাই তাই খাসা কক সামানি করে নং বো সাও নিনি চালিয়া মানে চংনো এসে সুরি সাইমন নিনি চালিয়া নে সুং আংবো সুংনা নাংমানি কিন্তু আমো তো আংবো গসু যে চিনিবো mistake ni thango because we did not ask him kaisa kaine puila amdi hai challenges kha tabo ngangke chung jisbon case kotorong thung both side case khana oi chung result khlai liya tabo ngke
Judgment ta khain relia ta.
eh hano directly judgment liya ba solve khlai ni baga bo thang liya segang both side khana pai granai ta amo ngka one learnings that we got one thing that we could rectify today
Gang te sain sain chna mo songka norm no manai sin borok to khatadang nong nahi ma tong Bangalore high city rogo mana jara specially sin borok jara samung khai thanai rok norok hai mani borok ekdom ang lucky feel khayo norok je selfless je nok samung khai tong out of love sin borok ni bagai ang no koi nai ram ten khai thang di
khlai nai sure
nong na haba hambai
che mansa to sum khlai nai and khlai bo tongu chini main motto kha thansa especially ang kaisa promise claimant tong lockdown ni time mo je sum kathi rohon mai angai family background ni bagaita I just wanted to share this because very necessary kaisa family poor family thanga boni borok khoroksa Bangalore langma choi thanga bon thani rang kri ni bagai chimik sung dead body rohon maya
ebre takuk bosar orang nang na mane
tabok depend khlayo case to case
okay
depend khlayo distance tabok bo hospital ni sung bo jaga tumna nang amu depend khlayo and bo hospital admit khlaijak amu depend khlayo mane private or the government or the amu depend khlayo because we cannot say that fixed asung na nangi thang but to an estimate overall cost sung naina thanga like starting from the ambulance medical cost postmortem embalming mane jotto kisu sung naina thanga anke 70,000-80,000 aram se thang but people still think like amsung nai anarok hain chau ni ban want to man but ground level phaika saimano chung tebo hisab khlaya thanga chung hisab khlaimano chini traveling ni kharcho traveling ni kharcho to chung kaisa ni kaya jaga thang 10 kilometers ho aram se 800 rupees cab
plus
para
Bangalore to costly city
cab ni bara anga ke aram se 600-800 rupees thang pai one way chung both ways khlaya thanga chung jodi abo hisab khlai ra kang ke teb thang starting o chung ba asuk saimya ni bagai kharcho ka ba mana ja kha 1.2 lakhs point thangka kharcho apur to chungbo saimaya ba tabongke je jaga nango bonon riru je jaga sano boron riru lai oma age chung chalo ko phele but kusaro chung teisa alada khai different mane work experience tu ye chung manai tesa cost no kom clarity payment ka tabong gangke chung without anything ga chung 35,000 ga complete package khai no
okay
Tripura jora only dead bodies no sung
only 35,000
মানে only dead bodies rohna ni bagai tai baki formalities tong khwa jabo like say postmortem charges tong nai ni embalming charges amorok separate ta
okay
amorok paimani ya golo tabo police ni NOC rom sinai chung ambulance na hoi from pick up from hospital to drop to Agartala airport jorate inge chung 35,000 paina parity man
wow
आगे इंगे तो संग बसिया आगे तो 50-60,000 मारे हो because आपरो संग proper contact में या ताऊ को ना संग को एकटा एजेंट सिनो रम ना था का 70,000 रेड इंसान पे ब्रो को एकटा एजेंट मान खा luckily experience matters में है ता अब
hasin sai jong ke continue khelo je garib family nin
हाँ sorry गरीब family ni पुइला वो जे आनी main बखाना मनी point के जों जोतो ना त्रिपुरा सरक तो जों जालांगे सी father has samung lai thang abon bisingo se bini busa khoroksa ba busai khoroksa aro thang lama choi paikha and bono Tripura tu meya bini mangthino last paithuk jar pon nai man liya tawni bagai rangkring bagai aja gaw chung jodi public support man kha chung rohori man khamu public support mani phana chung 100% maya inke family members rohori ni bo bisi rohori maya haine kese jung jalangai thang chung kaisa foundation ite tam khaiga promise it's like kaisa than liya mai da
okay
कि जैसे बोलो त्रिपुरा सा जैसे जाट फनंग थुंबो त्रिपुरा सा माने चुंबिनी मांग ठिने जिसका फना त्रिपुरा हावा न रहने त्रिपुरा हावा न बने फबरनाय सकरनाय बाय हुक बाय क्रुक जेस दिगि
प्लेट्स ना खाता
ए कैसे प्लेट
कैसे समय तांलाय माने
कैसा आं साइसुं माने आं बुंथिके आ समय सेल्फ चैलेंज ना खां साइमिया एवरी डेड बॉडी सो जोदि रां पुसुकलिया गागे व्यवस्था खलार हरी रो माने जिसके फोन खलेगा ना ताबो तिनी जोराते आप प्लेस ना मने परे तो सुन के वो डेड बॉडीज नो या करे रिया खो जिस दिन फोन अरेंज खलार हरी रो
arrange mana ke bo personal bini je savings to mana abon arrangement do tabo gang sawan jodi ang nina podcast an sana mosung tine su zara dara Dinesh no kang ma borok to kok sil chamurok phayo mtike mana haing na ne kaisa dead bodies honan bini protocol kang ma tongo do
अब के साइ खाना का सब माने तामो अब बाकी रहो
nai do kaisa dead bodies honan first of all because ang mostly ang no bishi dead bodies hojak ba ang short can sai kana
स्टेप टू स्टेप साइड तक
step to step thui thanga hani khanama logi fatar haste wo police no khor maro and police ro ni bishingo bong ni bo rules and regulation tongo karon brok NOC no objection certificate ya sak bro gara thang postmortem ni order ya sak body no postmortem ni police ro order ya sak postmortem ya postmortem ya ka cause of death maya cause of death malia hangkai no objection certificate malia mohai kengmao ko tongo do tarpore involving khaya hangkai body flight o karimaya
ओके
hangka tabuk phano corona test ma khai ko tabuk phano
ताव फन ना
ketheni corona test ma khayo hangka moni kebong ma protocols ba moni kebong ma ugo tongo lama tongo ambagai kengma borok sao rang rakha hangka joto rong thawani rang poisa siming ya nanga jaga wa thain khai nime pore se sai mana je busuk zorat tai nang kha ba busuk ka exactly sang tabuk sau 35000 se tiki je kabang phan nangai thangman because chung sai me ablena
on an average ta ओके
on an average samata bo hospital kaisa hospital 4000 involving nama tongo kaisa hospital 8000 na kaisa hospital 12000 nama tongo so kaisa hospital
mana अब तम इन्वॉल्विंग नंबर हुआ अब तम
involving
is like बिथिर माने like
body taki sarna jai
decaying yang na bagai
okay.
brok je injection to mane amon embalming injection ri ro and that embalming is very costly no again body kaisna sogya khlai to na ne bagai to bithi mari brok
nosto nyang
amon pore wrapping bo khlai ro hono nang brok embalming and packaging ta rong kai body remains no brok packaging khlai ro ri ta
Enggak ngau senam sota human psychology itu guys sing nor kethi dead body nugi mana palok khana heba nor baike psychological baike pula ta baike nor nije no strong kai अब तो कैसे किस गिरी प्लीज बाकी माने सनाम का
बिनी तो केस बहरो लॉकडाउन स्टार्ट होना बिनसे सिगांग 2015 to 16 ना पुइला डेथ केस हैंडल क्लेम मनी आफरो तो सिनी पुराना रॉयल त्रिपुरा पीपल सोसाइटी नि पर रखता हूँ फुंगनी सिमिक सारेक जरा मर्चरियो मा तंखा पूरा कठिन बाहाय हामा हुमु पूरा बर कठिन बाहाय अंखर तंसु आमा हायं थांगा तै गोबां खेनङै एसे सरायसे गोबां मारासियो एन्ड आवन परे आं पोस्टमर्टम खालामबो नगरिखा अनफॉर्चुनेटली आना बिसिंग रिंगिट लां थांगा डेड बॉडी बिनि याव ताम तंग बिनि पकड़ ताम तंग नि चेक खालायना लां थांगा आमो कैसे एक्सीडेंट केस
प्रिल देबर मा
बिनि के एक्सीडेंट केस तंग माने के बिनि पकेट नि माने तिखलाय फायमन याकलो से तिसां पोस्टमर्टम खालामर नगै फायगां के सप्ता कैसे थुइमालिया स्टार्टिंग ani bihingna ang masaka kaisa hanuman chale se gan rakhan tamere gra sidi muktari thana bagai nei puila wa around at least 1 week joratile peaceful ke thui malia awon pore second case bongkha second case ong taiksa bakha rakha third case ong ga te boragai thanga tawo ong ke frankly saying sentiments krika
इमोशन को अटैच करके
krika ani man kha tawo ong ke to इमोशन अटैचमेंट करी बोले तो किरीना नहीं जे डेड बॉडी ना किरीना नहीं कुनो अटैचमेंट करी क्या ये बोरो फैमिली मेंबर्स तो बोरो तो कंसोल मार्क लाइने ना सुन दैट्स आवर ड्यूटी सो बोरो ना बस सामलोगना नहीं बगे तो मार्क लाइने बट या डेड बॉडीज ना उनका कहीं सेंटिमेंट्स बा किरीमा नहीं तो करी खाना था
किरीमा करी फन निजें तिपरा सा तीन बबका कॉस्ट ना हो तो एंड स्पेशली जब पुरुख नाओ संग bersama sa besa cikon sa besa sa drop samang tang na family 3 mas siko family choli yang mo hai rong gate baka kosto nango amni bagi hingkang kai thanya ni jora tongmaya thangka case to kabang ma cases tongo like kebo ba accident ngai thango niji ba imang kamai thango mo hairo and thachingo april ni kok sama hai chikon sa message ber nam chungani april hingkai yar se do ani age
Okay.
hingkang kai
Ano borotam pori da tong imani.
Real
Real
student tongmani bike accident ga thimani
so abra sau bike rock father has thing Tripura wang thing please kisa limit narak chalo goi belai speed ke chalo hai ji karon nini chikon sa mistakes na nini ketni maring ngi thangman
Correct. Gasang kisa serious ang kaba kisa life kanya bago yang kisa sanang mo jong ka Bengaluru ni lifestyle sanang kisa sai kenar ke. Sinti parasol bike tong goi thangi.
bas
Bangalore yeah Bangalore ni lifestyle sana thang angke
tahu jadi sakang kai Dinesh Deborah mungoi Facebook page tongo aro thangi nyene Dinesh Deborah man lifestyle no gane je Bangalore ni bisinga joto na sai kabang lifestyle no mane tam sa lifestyle puno gui tongo ba onek active social media on ka bonan man how's the life
ang to je phunong mani to ang je choli to mani dong phunu kuno show off to klaya thang ba extra book phunong nan thang ya man I'm like jem na ang to temne bui nai bono sakse tabang ge sai khana re chun tini Bangalore tongnai chikonni থেকে কত জোড়া তো মানে 10,000 বেতনে থেকে 10 লাখ মান্থলি বেতন তো Tiprasa রংনি না
Oh, Tiprasa dong na.
yes
Wow, great news.
Tiprasa na তবে হংকে
apa chang sai ma simisigo
আমি তবে হংকে যত বড় কানেকশন ভাইয়া যত বড় থানজাকে তংনানি লামা নায়া তাবো ম্যাক্সিমাম থানজাকে তংনা রাখা সাবো যে লো লেভেল ওয়ার্কার্স লাইক अराउंड সে 10,000 to 30,000 জরাতে স্যালারি তিনে রাখ যে হোটেল ইন্ডাস্ট্রিজ সিকিউরিটি ইন্ডাস্ট্রিজ বড় বড় নিয়া যে আমার রাখছে ম্যাক্সিমাম কানেকশন তংনা রাখ যে আপার লেভেল তংনা রাখ তো লাইক
Mana angke sama tam profession tong sin boro.
profession I'll come to that as well tabuk ram di je 1 lakh ni se upor je salary tong ram kai to I don't care who you are maita
I'm the boss, haita.
I'm the boss mane ang no na I can run my own life without your help I can survive that's a good point I don't disappoint them or I'm not discriminating them tabuk profession like you know what you asked like starting from hotel workers like the chef like the housekeeping washing omo hairokni starting only phai and comes to security ni pore caretaker ni pore nurses ni pore salesmen like showroom rogo malls rogo salesmen and drivers
Drivers tong na.
yes
Wow.
drivers and cab drivers including me right cab drivers and beauty parlors salons tabo company ni drivers among low level things like
but mostly Tiprasa rock mane je jara kisa kom porijak rock kang
maximum population is in this level itself amone pore tongni software engineers
IT sector kung
IT sector so tongo BPO industries customer service
joto jagan tong motamoti
almost like doctors
Doctors tong na.
yeah doctors are
Even
also
teaching
there.
over tong.
Teachings are also there yes teachers are also there a couple of them not many of them but yeah teachers are there doctors are also there junior doctors probably not too senior doctors but the junior doctors and
entrepreneur botong
entrepreneurs to koekjon tongo
Nung common oro.
yes
Ni restaurant nung go.
ang kaisa I also became an entrepreneur so okay I can include that I mean I can be included in many places
actually yes now we do business so
next profession I think there is one scientist also
Scientist
I think
also.
but he is a Debarma but Agartala Debarma je connection kari he's a scientist I got to know about him thank you one CBI guy is also
CB
there
batong. Wow.
mane police department na batango and no need any in different professions everywhere we're spread it but connection kari ne bagi since haimia sabo bo profession hai tong bankers
Bankers.
yes there are a couple of bankers and private banks and government banks bato
joto jagan tong
banks-
emne chha tha kai overall joto jagan tong
overall
thajing dara sama hai chungbai je kurungai tongnai rok je 40,000 ni tolao je salary manai rok bro chungbai kurung tongo but aboni upor thanai rok hangka bro they live their own life bro bong life no busy ngai
The population towards that higher salary level will be less. But yeah, je low
bulk
level
population ka tola ni ta
maximum je 30,000, 40,000 below tongai rok, starting from 10, 12,000. All jagaos mein only in this profession you will find around at least 7, 8,000 people, or maybe more. Tabok borok su phaya tak sing kaise program songsana thangang ke जों निजेन काउन्ट साइमिया बाग फायो थांगो तंग सो estimate maximum any program माने minimum any program संग्राम थांगा 2,000 plus people, and all these 2,000 plus people are all from low level workers, not from high level. कैसा काइने high level ने sok payo but फायो hi hello bye bye ama हाके पाई थांगो ता, but still we don't mind. It's like all Tiprasa फाइले, but we are happy like yeah, at least but tini 5 months of pheka, at least he recognizes us mahita. So at least I'm happy with that as well. At least somewhere or the other connection to tongo, but involvement asak kari asak simix, otherwise no problem. They have their own life, they live their own life, and it all depends on self interest, right? Singke ma thang zabardasti claim ki you should come, you should do this. So borne thane self interest I always welcome them. I would say I would appreciate if they can come and work together. Ani bo heleng thang tini jora the ang bo kaisa o top level on tong mani. When I was working in a company, ani bo 1, 2 ni se upar tong mani.
no ta khaliya
Tabo ke ang job khlai liya. I left my job 6 months back. 6 months back ang job ya kare, I started my restaurants. Entrepreneur I started a consulting from 2 years back. Low level workers placement ro la hotel industries, securities. But also play any personal company te angri ruta. But amo slowly growing any job na yagari paika. So I was also in a cap of 1, 2 ni upor ni kebon tong money, but I am like live it. My people are happy when I'm working with them. Why do I care about that?
correct
Today, if I can do something better, maybe tomorrow I make more. And I make more by I can serve my people more. Tini jorate ang busuk rakhang ni je to kuno hisab to kari. When I don't even go to count, I don't even go to say ki ang se khlai man sana thangya ta.
gang ta sang siwan ta koi Bangalore mane ang suru Tiprasa sim kok side north eastern especially Bangalore go fascinated I think because of climate maybe
Yeah, the first point is the climate, the weather, because moderate tawaksin in northeast of jemne tongo. Similarly, we get in Bangalore also, but Bangalore was even cooler than northeast because 12 months, 12 mas, the whole year similar tongo. Kuno changes create no, matlab ngara compare climate summer, winter, monsoon ne kun compare climate. You don't know which day you will get rain also. So he has been there since around 18 years. 20 years almost.
mang khable oh
So bo apun simin nugui phayo chung summer season apun jacket chara gurimi ama
ang jodi mujo khanya thangang ka lai thangman ko grono je prang Bangalore thanga sarik ni pastan pore nang jacket chumi phaya hangka brother nang kisa bul
o bike khai sal sai deba o yak borzai thangla suja khlai yang tango
kesempatan
ya sa ka sang asam morning ro
but tau kana Bangalore weather belai na chogo and tangi why Bangalore nang je sangmani hai why Bangalore because first of all is weather, second ajagani opportunities yes,
local ka bhai public rock safety rock
and lifestyles
good.
safety is like chung to 24 ghanta choli tongo chung to kono difficulties face kaya but kama borok difficulties face khani borok ni bo bahai behavior ni bai khaje ka saimya but yes Bangalore jodi nang job ni bagai ba studies ni bagai jodi phainamo chung ka Bangalore is the best place ankon promote khaimya but yes
sangka khana kisa costly rock na bun
Costly to tongo, yes. Living cost is a little high, but it depends on how you live.
okay man joton bain tong tai si
Yes, you can live from low level to high level, as you said, but yeah, tini marketing maximum to high cost ni ramjago because of the rich people, not because of the poor people.
correct
Tini sung 10,000 salary money borok also is happily surviving in Bangalore. Tini chung jodi high fi nogo tong na ni gangke 10 to 15,000 rent nangi thanai. But again, if we go to stay in a sheet type of house, tao bo 4-5 bara mano.
Okay.
Where we also, if we want, we can go and stay there. It all depends on how we compromise
abo
or how we adjust. Okay, tini rom the kaisa hotel industry is hamong klein. Boni to tongna ni mano, chara ni mano. Whatever salary he gets is all savings.
Okay.
But sin borok save klaya, klayo. But maximum people klaya. So with that money, they live their life happily. Most on klayo, nije ni dress. But at least good point is they're independent.
Correct.
Bor ke mono thangai dependent ama babu no ano bike pirate ini wala na yata. At least that is one good point, an opportunity. Inga ke nang tini oza kani samung mali apana nang next within 1-2 hours you'll get another job. Low level role, not in IT sector. IT sector is a tough nong nai to because the challenge has gone high. But for this guys, I abhi chuta to 1 घंटे में दूसरा job उमा है कैसा opportunity था and तब living cost नंगे high in सामान इनके even today the bus fares are very less.
Okay. Also run by government and public no.
Run by government. That's run by
free for the female now.
I'm sorry, I'm familiar, but probably ingi fan mano. But yeah, bus fare ngange sung tapano. 20 kilometers thanan baga wages need to be 30 rupees. I say more than that.
অনেক লাইভ লাসন
More than that. Tabuk sung jirine by agotla thangsuk no je kharcha nangmo ta bus by am suna kharcha. Tabuk sung cab by jaga na taxi by thana na jaga borong nai at least 1000 rupees.
Okay. I was
In a cab, there is where it becomes costly. Nung jodi sastao chol na mo sunga sastao chole mano. If you compromise, tini ang cab bethangle rang bach le kana ang bus bethana ka you can go because bus ni jotto route no bus tong. Every corner has bus facilities and bus by every 5-10 minutes cholin tong back to back. Engage chung bike costly hinya na ba nang bus be chole na mo chung ya taxi be chole na mo chung ka obviously cost ang sinai no. Tini nang auto be chole na ka ba auto rom khangan jita bo usu 50 taka.
30 taka.
Rom khan nang 1 kilometer thang 2 kilometer thang minimum to 2 kilometers but nang asu mari nai. But nang bus be thana mo chung ya bale dhakka ma chao ba crowd in thang kan auto rom khang to obviously ni rang extra thana no. That's where it becomes costly. Otherwise costing here again vegetables groceries are very cheap tabung ni mukiteng paya thani ang muskango bazar berai mani ta khumulong bazar mande bazar Bengaluru ni sepano suka moroko jaga kg moso kg wo
inflation high te belai
very high mane the price okay borok sao desi hai are waha bhi desi hi hai matlab aro same no ang nije na moso bai phantok bagan khlai phalipe ke Bengaluru I know how it is. Also, I know some pararaga wholesale fan roho kanga some market 40 taka kanga por 30 taka rona musum. But Bangalore is not like that. Market 40 taka kanga ni nero 10 taka is lang bro.
Oh.
That is how it is. And nang jodi low cheap tong musum if you are active kasrang kangke early morning thani wholesale market tongo.
Oh, amti tong na.
Wholesale market nang bothang pai na haman.
Chung je chili phalai mani kok tabu dara chengir ka ang thangi phalai ka it was around 100 kg kana
15 taka kg wo mamalo
20 taka 20 taka kg mane taka se jaga angka jaga 20 kg homani ke 15 taka manchu so but happen nang jodi aba hai local shop thang pai ke angkai kg wo 100 taka rong thang
80 taka rong thang
nang jodi market thangi payo angka angkai nang kg 30 taka kan manthong so depend khayo nung boba hai lifestyle no choose khai tabuk je samani cheap da okada nung jodi luxury life tongna muchung hongka obviously that is expensive nung jodi rang khatina muchung nung je job khanya phayo ranga jina bage hinganga na ji tabuk sana thangai 3000 ni nok bara botongo do Bengaluru je tak bangla bosti majaga wo 2000 ni siming shurungai 20 lakh ni nok bara punja chung nugui phaiga kaisa apartment tower go 4 BHK nok ro mohero punja nugui phaiga so depend khayo nung baba high lifestyle no choose khai aboni purise ni expenses control lungu
no serang nang borok tabo borok to easy access na ya deba maximum people look for easy access nang hasala thana musu I better buy here dam khe damang paisa sinai ngaga obviously living cost bari thana jable tabuk jodi bo sranggang sapto waise thanga mukhe ding paina na ekbare bulk ngang kai you will get in much cheaper, double cheaper rate than what you're buying today. Tabuk sinaro Bangalore sana thanga chini wholesale market is there in every corners. Wholesale market like tini groceries like nini moso som nini sutui brok pai nini phanota MRP 40 টাকা কে নঙ্গা জায়গা থাকা 38 টাকা বা 35 টাকা পর মান বনাই
Kaham tangke.
বাট নং সাইমানো নঙ্গ বজাগা ভাল
Correct.
nung haino direct grocery phalke bo MRP on phalnai like Tripura chung jirnia thanga chung MRP on ma painai or chung wholesale pai khanga chung kabang manu. So instead of going buying in retailers, why don't you go buy nini mas kaishani hade khlai to manu ble
Man ultimately dang discipline mas na.
among ke tabong ke nung maintain ma khlainai and one way it will be good also for you because nin thani chinta kering thamote kaisa mairo mang 25 kg paito kha যে জায়গাও আং রিটেল পাইনা থাকা 1500 থানায় আং হোলসেল পাইনা থাকা 1200 থানায় মাস কেসে তো থাকা বলে তাবো তাই বাকি নি সম তাবো গ্রসারি তাই তামনে স্পাইসিস আমার তো বাল্ক পাইতে ফেমন গেট দেম ইন ওয়ান্স ইন বাল্ক সস্তা में मिल जाएगा नों बोले तिनी सुती पैकेट पाइ थाङा ता केसे पाइना नि नों हासला पैकेट थेसन बगे थांगले आपले Okay, after उनको के संगाना पाएगा तो MRP में पापा इसी नहीं. That's where it becomes high living cost था होता.
Thanks so much harap praktek sih. Angkanya koktan kado.
No problem.
Thanks so much double expose ane ke sama sama tu. Tak Bengaluru to different state of people tu. Kari ke ganang tu. Ganang thang ke zaman agar tu lawo. Okok anu case nuai sama ni. Agar tu lakun india. Mana sang nugi serman kun kari ya. Ke Bengaluru tam tu ya. Nung may gari ka hamni botong nai dam gari tong nai dam lifestyle tong nai kan nono kaisa bo inspire kayo gawang ke sanam song ta Bengaluru jodi ang exposure mang ke tam opportunity ro khulogi man abo ke sa kananta
Bangalore opportunity khulona in the sense business opportunity you mean to say like Bangalore is open for all. I mean I'm also outside. I mean we are also from Tripura, right? Ang tini Bangalore thangi I have restaurants, I have a cab, and I have a consulting firm. Mane no restrictions. Nung thangi tam business climate nung tam chalogi manna anyone so you can do it. You just need is registration, proper registration, nothing else. And registration ibagiba nung office thangi registration khlani nangya. You just need an agreement paper from the building je jaga nung office khlani ni, and then you apply online. Borok na phai verification khlai pe nai. The department themselves will come.
Kono politics kari.
No politics.
Kono middleman kari.
No middleman. Nothing. Nung online apply khlai for GST registration apply online, for food license nung restaurant लोग apply online. वो भी 2 दिन में हो जाएगा. बोरो के ऊपर interfere खलाया. What matters बोरो खत्म ना economic growth.
Correct.
Like how much ever business can be open today, the economy will grow in that way. Tini nung ang thangayaro car wash showroom man khlai maniyo, car wash center khlogri maniyo, no objection. Nini tamong kai nung kaisa what they believe is nung outside rapan phaiga nung bara to nana nang neble je bara namani boto Kannadic able boto local. That guy is getting an income, right? Nini nung thang business klai bo income man tong mini monthly renting man tong bo nini electric bill je phayo government is getting electric bill.
Money toron circulating no.
Or no, they're like it's a circulation. Tini electric bill ni bade water bill, Kaveri water bill. Asagabo Kaveri water bill phayo. Again your garbage bill, BBMP. Mane je garbage collector. Borne badise bill manu. So see how it is like helping each other.
Totan connected ta.
Everything is connected. Nang kaise business khuloge rekha. Everybody is benefited again from there. Haini bagai Bangalore government, say Karnataka government doesn't stop anybody from doing any business in Bangalore.
Open for all.
It's open for all. Nang tini thangai bike second hand showroom khlong namu sungkha there also you get an opportunity. But yeah, you should have a criteria of the location. Mane bike second hand showroom ninga all location nung na nangnai. Tini ni groceries ni location ko orom na nangnai. Among ka kaise set up tong. Mane you cannot go and open a bike showroom, bike second hand showroom.
City ni plain tong.
Groceries lane nang thangai bike showroom khloge maniya.
City plan khajata.
Mane city plan among ka nang joto borok kaise thanga o area thanga nang among sing manai. Electronic like SP road thanga ka nang electronic items sing mani nai. Oino area thanga nang oino mani. Mane particular groceries areas joto no bagzak. So you should see amoni motate nang maklayo. Now vegetarian restaurant je leno vegetarian restaurant tongo maximum vegetarian mane
Non-veg khulogmi aro.
non-veg khlogi maya khlogi man phana again you will have too many restrictions
Okay.
aro ang public phana restriction claim on they might come and say when this is a veg lane why did you come with a non-veg here okay sir only manu but that is very rare amo to kom na but still the criteria so follow khlanya nangnai business kaise khlogna skang sung bujina nangnai
Ang abas sama karon kata ang musung uta
ah
taksin government lo uta especially tak khumul ngi sasin sin ADC base mana ang nong no advice ritun saya bang no but nong opinion share kaiman ta sung bai ke same culture ung mai apano same system sum tam kaiman sini ADC area khumul lang pang tang al area pang tang
similarly
share kai dikisen
here sumzuri sanatha anke as per my observation okay ang buni observation mai tha ani je personal observation is hamani tini borok khoroksa dukan khuloge rekha the one shop na kaisa item ni khuloge rekha o market bini simu dukan tong tabo baki borok bini ron phai phai phio tabo ka jaga tam phainai kaisa borok phainai greedy person what that greedy person will do are bini business kam choli jong ang bo khulok nai
same
bo khulok nai o same area khulok ru phainai bo na tamung thanga jaga je purana choli tong nai bini customer dividing thanga dividing thaman pore tamung thangai puila to 100% tongmani 100% jaga 50-50 binor bagjagi thanga 50-50 jaga tai khorcha phaina phayone bobo kisa mise investment ba amgo start claimano bo te start clari phayone so what happened is like three distribution of thanga customers ne
population is same
population is same si bas bariya but the customer division has gone different ke tak bini bo loss jingoro jodi development musung ke kaisa borok jodi business clai tongmani no not to repeat it do something different which is not there in your area taki everybody gets benefited
tabuk for example sanathanga ka Tripura sorok beraino samung aba hake khelia je agini uko haya ithajing andara samhai 100 jana borok tongmale total 100 jana borok si 10 ta dogan khlor ke ba kaisa dogan ni capacities ba kaisa dogan ni customer 10 ta ke bagjak 10 jon bag thang and o jaga o tabuk Tripura sorok aste aste growing tongo aste chung agiro ga chung jodi cement bag paina thanga kai chung jraina than nango ba Champagnor than nango ba Agartala than nango chung tak para wona cement bosta mano
improvement ka
improvement ka jodi mo haike like city ni business rong no ban para khai kyang kai mo haike ba chung kaisa buskanga bugna lama tong
abo khato je business khai mai sau ang sanam jonga tak sini je power dong nai rokbo rok bai ka subai man
chini power tongnai chu banane bagi inke
as setup ang khana mani mana ang kem hamya samaya tak stall man rokbo oro politics tong file result tong passing ya po
and I had always been against corruption so far but I ke anke mono yesi suri to mania and sura batanga ta usarate because corruption tini ang je student rokni fight clai to money with the agents je admission clai that is against corruption tini student ni fees 1 lakh ni jaga agent rok lang thang 2 lakhs 1 lakh money commission 1 lakh money fees into boboron dunai am haing thang to bang he tabuk sinor opportunity hota mungkha bribery has increased a lot tini but abu phayong se kaisa project na yasang na thanga ke sao bisigri man
boli tana
boli sir layo और compromise खाया था कि भाई चलो चुंग खरगनी जो नाला जाए नंग फन बोले रेडी आंग फन सेम बोले रेडी जिस पर मन खा चुंग बागे चलाई नहीं आंगरो पॉलिटिशियन उनसे में दूसरे ना नहीं था बा लीडर्स उनसे दूसरा ना था तो दूसरे ना जिक्री तब नहीं के स्टार्टिंग से नहीं पब्लिक नहीं थे कैसे ब्राइबरी शॉक पायो
filter ta
ground level से पॉलिटिशियन मैं ब्राइबरी शॉक पायो नंग जो दी अखुई तो मन समय ना जिस पर माने रखना चाहिए तो नहीं बा so and this is something that everybody needs it the bribe is something that everybody needs I mean the amount inge tabuk nang je jaga wo 10000 bai kam chol nan jaga wo nangara 50000 ri kha so obviously opposite person will take it that's I mean that we can say greediness also and nobody will deny that then anapana ru phaigange to get some work done if I am able to do some work at 10,000 and somebody offers me 30,000 I'll definitely take that money and I'll get the work done at 10,000 and give it to him that's how business is that's how business is tabuk sinoro je mana tong rokam mani thanga je or je mana nangmani rokam mayang thanga and je regular tong tonerok borokai buddhi si thanga double phan rawi phano nai paikha and je tabo katal phane rokno ka opportunities malia. It's like they don't want to give let another person grow along with them.
Yabo no issue.
Aro kaise sini drawback. It's like selfishness. Chung jodi thansa ke chole na mo chung jodi thansa sang na mo chung ke we have to give opportunity to each and everybody. Chung group kaisa nang chung bagai chalai ne. Je man no bagai chalai ne instead of just ang sa jok chamani sai. Do ang project ti phega ang kisa extra na siunta. Rom di 100% bising ang pazo na no bag na thang ang ke ang rom di ang 20% na siuna ba ang 30% na siuna te baki no te charge no bagi na la sidi equally. Nge tao sini boro rokle aro fight. Tamne nang kabisa ka bang na naisa ang katang common nai. Aza ka was hamong boto nung equally klai lai yong ni no. But ang one suk de je in boti phega so he deserves it. So next time nang do ka nang deserve klai. So that's how we understand each other and work. Chinero tabuk o lack of understanding, lack of giving opportunity to the next person is lacking. Tini chung example na thang ke like Bengaluru ay jaga wo lama snam ka ke rato rat lama sungi tha.
Oh hachina.
Horni horo 5 kilometers lama kitchen.
Nung tabuk
fungo thang sayo magala ko buhur lama snam ka.
Nung tabuk for example nung ini office pa inyo ka thanga koro ka salo kita bai. Fungo pa inyo wala pi lama milik. Nung nama hanay hay bupurong thanga sa.
Ang efficient hay sible.
Borni samong je tongoni sanamon thiken sanam nai. It will last for 5 years aram se. Because they know after 5 years we can repair it or we can take some more. But bakka sarma zara kisa misa repair ni bage bill claim no bro. But je samung na wo rom di bro bo kawo no but sanamiri wo sungni no. But proper sanamiri. Tini last time onek kawo news nga je lama to sanamiri kha tolani hadule si pharja gya anke
Up to sinal common.
Tolani hadole si pharja gya anke to obviously sakao nang cement da boitong tam boitong o hadole bebo kaksen thane bo. It is like laparwa or haniman one way. Another way is lack of knowledge to build that.
Correct.
Tini je sanamne ramne thane degrees degree.
Incompetent bro.
They don't even know how to actually make it. But tini bro man kha ne ya sama bai almost mean. Tini je capable person ka project man liya.
Correct.
Je incapable person je ni thane mal dong bothang mani kha. That's how he got the project and he did that. And bin thane knowledge se kri je वो भाई के खिलाना नहीं का obviously खराब तो होगा ना. उसमें हम उसको भी गलती नहीं फेरा सकते हैं. वो ना blame claim में आचुन. तब नहीं के वो खिलाई तो रखा बिनी जे सीटी वो खिलाई रखा. But बिनी वो कैसे गलती है तमो जे सीनाई ना opportunity लिया. बाबो बिनी टीमो कैसे सीनाई ने वो तोड़ लिया.
Man sin society am tiya tabo. Je quality borno je man thai je saka borungo abo mayang tongta in society.
O thaching nang question song na answer ang to namo song do.
Lama na.
Tam sagamo leader song tam sagamo nang.
Man abo ka to bong no idea ne bagite.
Ne see.
Na ngar sanamo song matang. My opinion I'm
Okay, please go ahead. No.
Abo no issue abo.
Na
Open sensor.
No really ang manetang sanamo song sai jaman. Nai jo tabuk chini kabang mah Tiprasa rok thang ba Tripura ni borok phatar hasteo thangi je porinya nang tangai chin thani kerenya bagai sung judi a borok no chini thani won ton porika angka the same amount nijini no gana tongi porika hanga je borok tebo chaja kamo bute boko ko porika mo tini na hai salo na di government school pori nai hingka hanga kese kerika joton private mangthang tangai education quality hamyani bagai যদি গভর্নমেন্ট স্কুল হবে এডুকেশন কোয়ালিটি সঙ্গাঙ্গা বা স্কুল ni je looks no hinchewa nang azagawo tung tu nugo rong sidara kakjak pun ro jagi
ang kes et kasi looks to matter khali the pia nang tabung na sin society bota kisa tagu well to do educated bisirok bo background nai bisirok english background
exactly
angke bo parents tabung parents rokta bo parents ni jin bosano oro te ro namu sonai ba
Let me see. Every parents wants their kids to grow, like how we also came from the same
even
background. Tini sana thangai my parents or even our parents were not much educated how we are today, but still they had done their struggle and they had sent us to this level. Now, Nini your point is also not wrong. Tini, why do parents need to admit their kids to private school? because the development there or the way of teaching in private school is totally different. Yes, government school also can do that, but the
Exactly.
effort is not there from the government side. Tabo government school was jotona English medium hone zakha. But we hardly see students there. Why?
Quality.
Because the government teachers comes, signature ho asugi tama beta bet jao. Please sit down. Gapai thanga.
Apa saka kamo issue tong lo.
Eh,
Even
mana-
teacher
that-
ni recruitment
that
ako
issue.
kanya okay.
But
Teacher ni require another here I can point is 10,000 jona je master kok thanibo khorok busuk eligible teacher tong sai de manu. I would say none. I'd say none. Why? Because our level je tong rock maximum people were 12 pass. 10,000 plus nahi je 10,000.
तीन
Yeah,
चार
maximum people were 12 pass. And जे ग्रेजुएशन लेवल नहीं जब फ्रंजंग नहीं रखबो प्रॉब्ली बीए पास और बीए पास रखना ना इंग्लिश टीचर हिस्ट्री टीचर नहीं या पर रेखा वेयर जे बर बीए क्लाइ पर हिस्ट्री सिबिन सब्जेक्ट को करी बट स्कूल ऑफ बना री रेखा ना हिस्ट्री टीचर नहीं ना बताम नो फ्रंगने साड़ी where he did not even learn the history in the graduation or in 12th बताम नो फ्रंगने तीनी साइंस नि टीचर नहीं साइंस नि स्टूडेंट उतलांग थांग का बर री रेखा प्राइमरी स्कूल ऑफ बीए एंड इंग्लिश टीचर Batam Purnai.
Nee.
That is where the drawback is because that was also dirty politics played by the government. Mangka je actual qualification to money. Tini phan nung naja thani engineer je engineering pipe phani rokta BE BTech pipe phani roksi. Tini master sakri mangka boro master sakri ya par payo. Mane ya sakri payo.
Apa lack of opportunity ya.
Kaisa opportunity ya sak payo ta and tabok civil engineers boro khonse phaigang ke admin ni samong khonse maka babse ya sak pai nai mane education matters khlailia chini tripura je qualification tei chungna thang ke chungara drawback boni mano one way benefit boni mano because we have very less opportunity in Tripura chung particular field o job bori maya Tripura government thane asa capacity gri je particular field on job rana nangai
Ewan nang sana mani.
except apart from doctors apart from
nice.
doctors and nurses
Continue khaji.
Karena anggapan sana na mani. Jadi government jadi one so kan government rokta baje apa phana tongne je power tongne ro. Bro jadi chin society no develop khanya musong chin society na tep nai to kan anya musong kan kai. Borok je quality of education Tripura ni abo change
Apa
makai.
must ya must.
अब change kleiner नहीं तो presently impossible to honeymoon but it will take time and as per my opinion as per the observation if you see we cannot say this government has come now and we cannot blame them saying they should do it and they can do it because you know वो बहुत पुराने से बहुत पहले से चल के आ रहा है
Legacy issue ta.
belai purana simik sing abo tabok sing starting o immediately change clari man liya and they also cannot do that boro khlaya thang again they will see different issues
Sang beli kok salai ka to kisah dribung thang kan nong NGO ni. Kabarang tak thang last tong request kai ne. Nong NGO ni thinang ni nahar hung rok. Nong ni plan action plan rok ta tam rok tong yago. Ken rok tam kok kesan musung. Nong sai di mano.
chini nahar mung to tabok jora thei thanza chung this upon nong thung je ja pan tong thung any state of tong thung chung jotono thanza tong la ni chai to and thanza khlanya ni chini chai to mo nung kaisa state of thang thini wo jangjal klai tong nung ke contact kरेंगे kun phan lama mai ang thang but jodi chung nung this profession upon tong doesn't matter what matters is about the connection that we keep chung tini thanza ka tong la khang si ideas ro lai man layo suggestion relay man layo kaisa ta kaisa na sig sing srung manu bo bum tu developing thang tamo khlaya amai ke chung sini society o phai Tripura o phai father haste o thangai sing srung Tripura o phai sung chengai manu saimano je Tripura o to puila mane blooming lak to bongke chung kaisa step na oi bra chengri maya chengri man ya golo chung customer grab khlanya ni thani oboro ne sung srung ma phainai je customer na chung bai ke grab khlainai aboni ya golo chini public je Tripura tong na borok ba appreciate ma khlainai ki ta khokle father haste thangam te srungai pheka chalo let's support him o support hands tong na nango tabung ang tajing sama hai kaisa bania bo kaisa dukan khlok tini tai kaisa bini dukan no mokol yogai bo mano ngai nang ta khlok di as a development chung chini Tripura people foundation itoi chesek chung Tripura sarong ba khlainani mano chung khlain thanai chini chai tong abon tongnai.
Nadio jaga to tak kabunga borok fatar hasteo tongnai rok to khanya tongo and plus Tripura tongnai borok rok bo Bengaluru thanga bahike job da mano haida mano hone singlaya diba. So ajaga o je khai tongnai Tripura sorok bo chobo chini Tripura People Foundation tabok suk joro to tama khai tong hungkang kai sak no chimingye buino be help khai tong do chini je volunteers rong ni bisingo. En chini moto to always chungma to fatar hasteo tongnai Tripura sarok jingjalo tak laichang ba saisung ta angthung saisung hone wan chogi charan thung chung thanchaka tong lai chini Tripura do phana fatar hasteo bo naithok tisai chalang lai na Tripura sarok miliwi kaza kormo khrang hinjawi chung khabono chung kono keboni dagi mumbai ba keboni yahi sorjong khai tongmai chung knaino nijini personal interest chung kaisa Tripura na hamjagai Tripura angai tegaisa Tripura chung jagi cost mani phaika share khanya thangkai bobo bin lai bonek samung chikon nisimino khai bazai phaijak erang bo samung chikon nisim bazai khai phaijak so chung tam cost face khaika phaidrobo a cost je tabuk thangnai Tripura face ta khaiteng abono chung nayo Tripura kaham tung chung tebe Tripura kaham lama tulang manteng abon bagai chung Tripura thansa kengai chini je foundation no chung naithok kai tonani abono chini nahar mungta.
So hopefully
finally closing notes
khaklayo chung chini Tripura People Foundation sudu Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kerala, Chennai, Pune je tau jarat khulung mansa kasu jarat ya ani nahar mung to tabo Guwahati, Kolkata, Delhi
Je jaga Tripura tong
মানে যে জায়গাও ক্রাউড বেশি ত্রিপুরা সারক নেই ও জায়গাও না চং ইয়াগ্রানা নি চাইতো হই তং এন্ড ত্রিপুরাও ব চং যদি চিনি ফাউন্ডেশন নি কাছে ব্রাঞ্চ খুলগে মান খানকে চং আমো খাইনি চাইতো নাই তবঙ্গে তাবু জরা তুই তো কে ফান বস কাও ফায়াকো যে চং ত্রিপুরা ব কাছে খুলগনা নি হনে ওয়ান সুগি ফায়াকো তাবুক জরা তুই যে চং চুবলাই তংলাই মানি চিনি ত্রিপুরা পিপল ফাউন্ডেশন নি তুই आं तो जतो पब्लिक जे सुनो ताक चुबाय तंनाय चंनो विश्वास खाय तंनाय चंनो पुइतो चाय तंनाय रंनो बेलायनो हामबाय मारिबा खाखलाय चंबो बरने पुइतोनि फानबाय चंते खाय मान होननाय चिनि थानि कुनु मुचुंमानि माने एक्स्ट्रा माना मुचुंमानि करि जों अलवेज नो रनानो मुचुंगा एन्ड जों अलवेज नो काहाम लामा बुमदिके साबनो जों जस्टिस रिमान आबनो चिनि चाय तंमो एन्ड आबनो चिनि मोटो मेन तंनाय
नंनां बेस्ट विशेष रनाय गनाल थांते नरबे करनानि जरे बुइ मुसंखे आबो साइरि मन
जों बाय करंनानै मुसंखाय Tripura People Foundation बाय चिनि Facebook page दङ as Tripura People Foundation हायके Bengalore Tiprasa नि पनि नो कांटेक्ट खाइमनो अदरवाइज सुनो WhatsApp टेक्स्ट खाइमनो चिनि WhatsApp नि फाउन्डेशन नि नम्बर अंखा 8123362517 तेवसे साफिरिसिनो 8123362517 अमंगा चिनि WhatsApp नंबर नर कॉल खाइ माय आपनानि मानो खाता बायदि तबखे नर WhatsApp टेक्स्ट खाइ रेखांके जों जेफ्रु फ्री इंखा जों नरनो इमिडिएटली रेस्पॉन्स रिनाय एंड Facebook पेज अब नर मेसेज रहो खांके जों जेफ्रु अवेलेबल एंड जों इमिडिएटली रेस्पॉन्स रिनाय
नंगनो ऑल बेस्ट विशेस अंकां नंगनो विश किनाय सिन बरक थानसाका तंथं कोरुम कुथुका तंलाइथें बेस्ट विशेस तंनाय अंका फाया बागै पाइफले हामबाय
जनबो और अपॉर्चुनिटी मनि बागै चनो नि पॉडकास्ट ऑफ हाई चिनि व्यूज रो शेयर खाइने बागै चांस मनि बागै ननो बेलेन हामबाय खाबाय एकदम
Tripura sarok nini podcast na naiteng and o jaga je phainai je sini jaknai borok rok kok kaham cycle mani ba nangmani kok rong sakung marong no brok nai te on borok webo share khaiteng angobon musongo tai din podcast subscriber bangteng tebe nainai bangteng nano tep support khainai bangteng best of luck to you
so like and subscribe the podcast of Nishit
हामबाय नंनो पाइफले हामबाय नरक पाइथक जरा सिनो एपिसोड्स बाय करंग तंमानि बागै आव आं पयतो खलायो नरक तिनि ओ एपिसोड्स नाइमाने याकुलो नरक Tripura People Foundation Bangalore bongni samung betang bongni samung humung rok norok khamake saimang kana hanai ga abai kana sangbo thansa kai Tiprasa khabak sake tonglai mantheng abono ang nongno haini hai ko kasar finai faini hati barogobo ang nongni bagai kaham content to fai tongo ga norok kindly ano channel by kerengdi engke thangte ang kokno sanai let's listen learn and grow together. Hambai.